Welcome back. Youth Congress has declared Vice President of Youth Congress Xavier Fialho as the in charge of Youth Congress in Goa till Lok Sabha election is over. The desk in charge of Youth Congress Utkarsha Roopvathe said that Valanka Alemao has opted to keep herself away from Lok Sabha campaigning in Goa and she would work in Delhi for the Congress. She also said that absence of Valanka will make no difference to the party.
The absence of Ms. Valanka Alemao, our elected PYC president, she has already made it clear that she is not going to work in Goa. In her absence, I have taken the leadership's permission and I have got the permission to appoint Mr. Xavier Fialho as the in charge for the Goa Pradesh Youth Congress till the time of the elections. She has put up some personal reasons why she cannot work and the leadership is thinking about what to do. She is working for the Delhi Congress, that's what I have come to know, and she is working under the guidance of Shri Digvijay Singh ji. One absence will not affect much. My team is strong, our party is doing very well, both our candidates are doing very well. So with such a team, I think more we should focus on the campaigning now rather than just pinpointing at a certain individual.
Meanwhile, Congress spokesperson Sunil Kautankar has trashed Modi's entire team.
Their entire team, Modi's entire team is failure. He himself is a failure. Narendra Modi himself is a failure. Smriti Irani as a in charge of Goa has failed. And now Manohar Parrikar as a chief minister, he has failed. As a home minister, he has failed. As a union home minister, he will be a disaster for this nation.
Our reporter Chetan Gawas for Prudent.
The trial court has allowed rape accused Tarun Tejpal to meet his ailing mother on Thursday morning for 1 hour. But the court has directed Tarun Tejpal not to meet any other family member or friend during his visit. Tejpal's mother is in a critical state. However, court has rejected Tejpal's plea for a permission to meet his mother every week for 2 hours.
The Panji Fast Track Court on Wednesday allowed former editor-in-chief of Tehelka to meet his ailing mother. The court has allowed Tejpal to meet mother on Thursday morning for 1 hour at his Moira residence, but subject to certain conditions. Investigating officer or her representative will be present during meeting. Tejpal will not be allowed to meet his relatives or friends. Tejpal cannot interact with media and Tejpal to maintain discipline and decorum. Earlier, the court had dismissed an application filed by Tarun Tejpal seeking permission to meet his critically ill mother every week for 2 hours. While dismissing the petition, the court observed that such blanket order cannot be passed. The court cleared to the defense counsel that Tejpal has to file an application every time mentioning specific date, time and place of meeting. Accused in lady journalist sexual assault case, Tarun Tejpal is in custody since his arrest on 30th November last year. Tejpal is likely to file bail petition before the Supreme Court this week. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The Madgaon court has sent former municipal engineer of Kankona Suhas Fardesai in 3-day police custody. Crime branch on Tuesday had arrested Suhas in connection with Ruby residency collapse case. Suhas Fardesai, as municipal engineer of Kankona municipal area, had written a noting and recommendation letter to then Chief Officer of Kankona Pradeep Naik, on the basis of which construction license to collapse Ruby residency building was issued. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.